KitchenAid vs Kenwood, Battle of the Mixers.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into a much-asked question in the world of kitchen appliances. Which brand of mixer is more durable and reliable, KitchenAid or Kenwood? Whether you're a professional chef or just love baking at home, this is a question that could have a big impact on your daily kitchen routine. We will be analyzing the two brands, discussing the durability and reliability of each, to help you make an informed decision. So, let's get started.
Understanding durability.
When we say durability, we mean how well a product can withstand wear, pressure, or damage. For mixers, we usually consider their build quality, material, and motor strength. KitchenAid mixers are known for their sturdy metal construction, providing a solid, weighty feel that gives them excellent stability. Their motors are also powerful, and capable of handling a wide range of tasks. On the other hand, Kenwood mixers are also made with high-quality materials, and while some models may have more plastic parts, they are still robust and well-constructed. Kenwood's motors are also very reliable, with some models even offering more power than KitchenAid.
Evaluating reliability.
Reliability refers to the consistency of a product's performance over time. A reliable mixer will perform well over many years, with little need for repair or replacement parts. KitchenAid has a strong reputation for the reliability of their mixers, backed by many users reporting many years of reliable service from their mixers. They're renowned for maintaining a consistent performance, even after prolonged use. Kenwood, too, scores highly on reliability. Many Kenwood mixers offer advanced features such as variable speed control and pulse functions, which continue to function well over time. Customers report their Kenwood mixers providing a steady and reliable performance over many years.
So, KitchenAid or Kenwood?
While both brands provide highly durable and reliable mixers, your choice may depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a mixer with a solid, weighty build, and don't mind a slightly higher price tag, KitchenAid may be the choice for you. But if you need a mixer with advanced features, potentially more power, and a somewhat lighter design, Kenwood may be a better fit. In the end, both KitchenAid and Kenwood offer excellent choices when it comes to durable and reliable mixers. Your decision should depend on your individual needs and the specific models you are comparing. No matter which you choose, you'll be getting a product that can serve you well in the kitchen for years to come. We hope this comparison has been helpful to you. Happy baking, everyone!